The Regional Trial Court Branch 73, Sagay City is now in session. The Honorable Judge Erlindo Nidiana presiding.
Let us pray.
Mighty God, we stand in your presence as our Supreme Judge. We humbly beseech you to bless and inspire us so that what we think, say and do will in accordance with your will. Enlighten our minds, strengthen our spirits, and fill our hearts with fraternal love, justice and peace in our proceedings today. Guide us in the path of righteousness for your fulfillment of your greater glory. Amen.
Please be seated. Call the case.
Criminal case number 2024-069 entitled People of the Philippines versus Igiboy Ungos alias Nonoy for destructive arson.
Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Prosecutor Gwendolyn Contiga for the government. Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Coris Chris Cunyedo for the accused.
Are you ready to present your evidence, Fiscal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is your witness?
Our witness is Mr. Justin John Alvarez, the private complainant in this case.
Call the witness to the witness stand and swear him and let him testify.
Your Honor, we call Mr. Justin John Alvarez to the witness stand.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Please state your name, age, and address for the record.
I'm Justin John B. Alvarez, 22 years old from Barangay Bato, Sagay City.
Your Honor, the witness is Mr. Justin John Alvarez, 22 years old, resident of Barangay Bato, Sagay City.
What is your offer, Fiscal?
The testimony of the witness is being offered to prove that he is the private complainant of this case. He will prove the allegation contained in the information, and he will testify on other matters relevant to this case.
Do you have any comment or objection?
We reserve our comment or objection subject to cross-examination.
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor, with the kind permission of this honorable court. Mr. Witness, please state your name, age, and address.
I am Justin John Benosa Alvarez, 22 years old, resident of Barangay Bato, Sagay City.
Where were you on the night on January 13, 2024 at 11 p.m.?
I was staying at my relative's house when I told my house was burning. I rushed home and saw it completely on fire.
What was the condition of your house?
Totally destroyed, and everything I owned, it was burned.
Do you have a sworn statement regarding of this incident?
Yes, I executed a complaint affidavit.
I have here the said document. Do you recognize it?
Yes, this is the complaint affidavit.
Your Honor, may we now mark this as Exhibit A, the sworn complaint affidavit of the witness, and offer it as part of the witness testimony to prove his account of the arson, the identity of the accused, and his motive.
Do you have any comment or objection?
We reserve our comment and objection subject to cross-examination.
Let it be marked and admitted as an Exhibit A.
Mr. Witness, do you know who caused the fire?
Yes, I believe it was Igiboy Ungos, also known as Nonoy, because days before the fire, he threatened me saying, I will burn your house down.
Objection, Your Honor. Fair say. Your Honor, the statement is an admission by the accused of a party opponent and is therefore an exception to the hearsay rule under the rule of evidence.
Objection overruled. The testimony is allowed. Proceed.
Mr. Witness, what did you do after the incident?
I immediately reported it to the police.
I have here a copy of a document entitled Police Blotter Entry. Can you identify the same?
I do.
Your Honor, we now mark the police blotter entry as Exhibit B, showing the complainant's report naming the accused. We offer this to establish that the matter was officially reported and the accused identified. We object to its admission, Your Honor. The document contains verified allegations. Your Honor, it is offered not for the truth of the contents but to prove the fact of reporting.
Objection overruled. Mark and admit as Exhibit B.
Mr. Witness, was there a fire investigation conducted?
Yes, the Bureau of Fire Protection responded and conducted an investigation.
I am showing you a document labeled Fire Incident Report. Can you identify it?
Yes, that's the official report from the fire department.
Your Honor, we offer this as Exhibit C to prove that the fire was caused intentionally using accelerants based on BFP's findings.
Do you have any comment or objection?
We reserve our comments and suggestions, subject to cross-examination.
Let it be marked and admit as an Exhibit C.
Mr. Witness, do you have a photographs of the damage?
Yes, I do.
Your Honor, we now offer of the photographs of the burned property as Exhibit D to visually show the destruction caused by the fire.
Mark and admit as an Exhibit D.
To summarize, Mr. Alvarez, was there anyone else with a grudge against you?
None, attorney. Only Nonoy threatened me and I believe he acted on him.
Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Defense may now cross-examine.
Mr. Alvarez, you did not witness the accused set the fire, correct?
No, I arrived when it was already burning.
So, your statement is based on a previous arguments and a threat?
Yes, I believe it was serious and the investigation confirmed it was intentional.
But no one saw the accused at the scene.
I have no eyewitness, but his motive and threat are clear.
That will be all, Your Honor.
Is there any redirect examination from the prosecution?
None, Your Honor.
Any further questions from the defense?
None, Your Honor.
There being no further questions from either party, the witness is hereby discharged. You may now leave the witness stand. Fiscal, do you have any additional witness?
None, Your Honor. The prosecution respectfully moved to offer the following exhibit as part of our formal offer of evidence. Exhibit A, complaint affidavit of Mr. Justin John Alvarez to prove the facts of the incident and the threat made by the accused. Exhibit B, police blotter entry to prove the immediate reporting of the incident and identification of the accused. Exhibit C, fire incident investigation report by the BFP to prove the intentional nature of the fire and the use of accelerants. Exhibit D, photographs of the burned house to demonstrate the extent of the damage. These are being offered in accordance with the rules of court and jurisprudence, Your Honor.
Do you have any comment or objection?
We reserve our objections, subject to the ruling of the court.
Let the exhibits be admitted into evidence as offered.
Your Honor, the prosecution formally rests its case.
Let it be noted that the prosecution has formally rested its case. The court now calls on the defense to proceed. Is the defense ready to present its evidence?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is your witness?
Our witness is Mr. Igiboy Owas, the accused in this case.
Call the witness to the witness stand and swear him and let him testify.
Your Honor, we call Mr. Igiboy Owas to the witness stand.
Paliyogi alis sa imong tuko nga kamot. Nagasaad ka pala nga magsugid sa kamatuoran, ang bugos ng kamatuoran, kag wala na sa iban kundi ang kamatuoran lamang.
Oo.
Paliwag ihambal ang imong ngalan, edad kag address para sa record.
Ako si Giboy Omos, 21 anyos, residente sa Barangay Bato, Sagay City.
Your Honor, the witness is Mr. Igiboy Umos, 21 years old, resident of Barangay Bato, Sagay City.
What is your offer, counsel?
The testimony of the witness is being offered to prove that he did not commit the act charged, that he has an alibi placing him in another barangay during the time of the incident, and to explain the nature of his prior argument with the complainant. He will also identify and authenticate documents relevant to his defense.
Do you have any comment or objection?
We reserve our comment and objection subject to cross-examination.
Proceed.
Mr. Omos, where were you on the evening of January 13, 2024 around 11 p.m.?
Diinka sa Enero 13, 2024, mga alas 11 sa gabi.
Para ako sa barangay poblasyon, sa birthday sa ako makaisa. Nagkinero ko bilog ng gabi.
I was in Barangay Poblacion 1, Sagay City, at my cousin's birthday party. I stayed there the whole night.
So, to be clear, you're not at Barangay Bato, Sagay City at the time the complainant's house was on fire?
Gani, karumunta lang, ara kami pala sa Barangay Bato, sang tigon nga nagkalayo ang balay sa nagkalayo.
Layo, Nor, layo ko tiyak. Wala ko rin kabalo sa natabong. Wala ko isugiran.
No, Your Honor, I was far from there. I had no idea until I was told later.
Did you ever threaten Mr. Justin John Alvarez?
May tiun ba lang ang ginapahog mo si Mr. Justin John Alvarez?
May away kami na. Pero wala ko yung plano nga sakipon. Saka wala ko yung nagambal. Sunugod bila balay.
We had a disagreement, but I never meant harm, and I never said I would burn his house down.
You mentioned you submitted a written statement regarding your whereabouts on that night. I am showing you a document. Can you identify it?
Nagsiling ka nga naghatag ka sa isa ka simulat nga nag-explicar sa imo sitwasyon sa sinakagabi. Ipakita ko ini nga dokumento, magkilalaan mo ba na ini?
Ay, oo. Muna ako nga din bidabit nga i-file ko para ma-deny ko mga akusasyon sa akin. Para ma-explicar ko mamla ko dito sa mga gabi.
Yes, that is my counter affidavit which I executed to deny the accusation and explain where I was that night.
Your Honor, we respectfully offer this counter affidavit of the accused, marked as Exhibit 1, to form part of the direct testimony of the witness.
Do you have any comment or objection?
We reserve our comment and objection subject to cross-examination.
Let it be marked as Exhibit 1 and provisionally admitted.
Mr. Omas, I am showing you another document. Can you tell the court what this is?
Pinapakita ko subong sa imo ang isa naman ka dokumento. Mahimo mo bala ihambal sa korte kung ano ini?
Oo. Muli sa ang barangay certificate nga halin sa barangay poblasyon. Nga nagapamatuod nga ara ko sa birthday party. Isang tiyon yung pagkasulong si Balay.
This is the barangay certification from Poblacion 1, Sagay City. It says that I was present at the birthday party during the fire report.
We respectfully offer this barangay certification marked as Exhibit 2 to corroborate the witness alibi.
Objection, Your Honor. Lack of proper authentication by the certifying officer.
Objection noted. Exhibit 2 shall remain provisionally admitted, signed to authentication.
Mr. Omas, do you have any grudge or hatred towards the complainant?
May ginapinsan ka bala nga kaakig o kung kalain sa buot? Batok sa nagreklamo?
Wala eh. Nag-away lang kami na isa. Pero wala ko yung naging himo nga malain siya pagkabutang.
No, Your Honor. We had an argument, but I did not do anything to him or his property.
Thank you, Mr. Omas. That will be all, Your Honor.
Prosecution, you may now cross-examine.
Thank you, Your Honor, with the kind permission of this honorable court. Mr. Omos, you admitted to arguing with the complainant. Is it possible that your anger escalated?
Ginako mo nga naginaisay ka mo sa nagreklamo. Hindi ba lang posible nga nagdalo ng imo kaakig?
Hindi eh. Tignan ko siya guro pa baisay namon. Pero wala ko yan nagtapapa.
No, Your Honor. I may be absent during the argument, but I never act on it.
You're relying on a barangay certification. Isn't it true that this can be easily obtained?
Nagabase ka sa barangay certification, hindi ba lang mapuod nga hapos na ini makuha?
Ginisyo man officially, kung may mga witness man kung pwede mo pamatuod to.
It is issued officially, and I have witnesses to verify it.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Is there any redirect examination from the defense?
None, Your Honor.
Any further cross-examination from the prosecution?
None, Your Honor.
There being no further questions, the witness is discharged. You may now step down. Attorney Caniendo, do you have any additional witness?
None, Your Honor. The defense respectfully offers the following exhibits as part of our formal offer of evidence. Number 1, Exhibit 1, Counter Affidavit of the accused, to prove his denial of the charges and explanation of his whereabouts on the night of the incident. 2, Exhibit 2, Barangay Certification from Barangay Poblacion, Sagay City, to corroborate his alibi that he was present at a birthday celebration during the incident. We submit this as material evidence to support the defense of alibi and lack of criminal intent.
Any objection from the prosecution?
We object the admission of Exhibit 2 for the lack of proper authentication.
Objection noted. Exhibit 2 shall remain provisionally admitted, subject to authentication. Let the Exhibit 2 admitted as offered.
Your Honor, the defense formally rests its case.
Let it be noted that the defense has rested its case. The court now considers the case as submitted for decision. There being no other matter to discuss, this hearing is adjourned.